Today, we're diving into the action camera arena, where excitement is building around the anticipated release of the GoPro Hero 13 Black. As the buzz intensifies, the rumor mill is churning out tantalizing details about what might just be the next big leap in action camera technology. In this in-depth exploration, we'll sift through the most credible leaks and speculations surrounding the GoPro Hero 13 Black, examining how these potential features could redefine the standards for action cameras in 2024 and beyond. GoPro has long been synonymous with action cameras, setting the bar with each new release. The Hero 13 Black, rumored to be the latest in this iconic lineup, is generating significant excitement as whispers of its capabilities suggest a substantial upgrade from its predecessors. But what makes the Hero 13 Black so anticipated? This latest model is expected to cater to a broad spectrum of users, from professional content creators seeking top-tier performance to adventure enthusiasts looking for a reliable, high-quality camera. The Hero 13 Black could be GoPro's answer to maintaining its competitive edge in an increasingly crowded market. But how exactly will it do that? Let's delve into the possible specifications and features that could make the Hero 13 Black a game changer. One of the most exciting rumors is that the Hero 13 Black will support 8K resolution at 60 frames per second. This would mark a significant step forward, offering ultra-high-definition footage that is not just detailed, but also incredibly vibrant. For those unfamiliar, 8K resolution delivers 4 times the detail of 4K, making it perfect for capturing every nuance of fast-paced action. The Hero 13 Black is also expected to support 4K resolution at an impressive 120 frames per second, ideal for producing silky smooth slow-motion videos. This combination of high resolution and high frame rates could make the Hero 13 Black the go-to camera for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the best. As we await the official announcement of the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the leaks and rumors offer a tantalizing glimpse into what could be a transformative product in the action camera market. While these details are still speculative, they suggest that the Hero 13 Black could set new standards for action cameras, offering a range of features designed to meet the needs of both casual users and professional creators. Whether it's the potential for 8K resolution, advanced stabilization, or the versatility of a removable lens, the Hero 13 Black is shaping up to be a significant player in the world of action cameras. Its impact could be far-reaching, influencing not just the action camera market, but the broader landscape of content creation as well. Stay tuned for more updates on the GoPro Hero 13 Black, and don't forget to share your thoughts on the rumored feature.